What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, I'm gonna do that one here quick and fast. I'm not gonna do much talking. And the intro, I just gonna tell you say Blamdem a crash out right now. You say me I say him now have no papers in a foreign, him now go get no papers, them and look for him right now that are the police them and something. So right now, him a go change up him lifestyle. Buy a look old car, one bag of something him a talk with people. Him say I go analyze Pops YG, Buck Tour, one youth name, I don't remember what name, and one girl named Bianca, like that. You see me? So I think a girl who I used to talk to. So my people, I just go run through it quick and fast. So make we get in with people. We also have Sky Diamond come out, you know, and say, I lie them at tell say, them did hold on on her or something. And this some people and one bag or something. So make we jump in it.
Oh, my dear eyes, and nobody can find me in the system. Make it make sense. No. Let me deal with Shay first. Shay, I'm not even gonna scream on you, bitch. You're on vacation. And you study Sky? That makes sense? Like Destiny, Shamar, Trev, Belinga. I'm not credible, but they prove there was somebody eyes. Who put me eyes? Which one put me eyes? Cause last time I checked me up on vacation with my butch. And never did no eyes. But I realize I don't have nothing to do. And I'm here on the problem. So I'm just here to not even clear not ear. But me just a clap tease. First and foremost, wanna get that rumors are from somebody eyes. Who come tell on somebody eyes? Me did tell on somebody eyes? Me did post somebody eyes? My mother lover did come on TikTok come tell on somebody eyes? My daughter Princess come tell on somebody eyes? So which part of the rumors here come from somebody eyes? Where the rumors come from somebody eyes to begin with? And how many eyes and nobody can find me in the system? You guys have no credibility. Missy say well I don't know me for their eyes, but sorry for disappointing you. I wasn't in ice and I'm not in ice. Okay? I don't know if you make me cut my vacation short for the people that care about me, because you might think people don't care about me, but people really do care about me. It's not just say, but people really do care about me. You know if you make me cut my business what me I do for come tell the people them say I'm good. Come just live for me. Who tell me something on the papers in America? Make me on the reason. Who tell me something on the papers in America? When me I want to have agreements on the papers in America? When me I want to discuss that? Because I cannot remember telling none of y'all bitches on TikTok that I got no papers in this bitch. So where do you get that rumors from? When you get the rumors from somebody else, me need to know who start the rumors here somebody else. And where is the evidence? For sure know how much you know well want me for their eyes. Imagine I make people that don't like me, people want to know me and them are beef, bring a rumors on TikTok, somebody in the eyes. And to how much you don't like me and will want it to be true, when you run with that fucking rumors. Man, they are clear no ear for none of the bitches on TikTok who don't like me. See my people them, cause I guess by now I'm supposed to see the people out there that genuinely like me and care about me. You see people them wanna make in a comment section a war for me and I do the most at them they here for not uno. Guys, I'm okay. I wasn't too nice. I'm good. Okay guys? Blinga. That courthouse here now locked down. I mean now stop bringing down on TikTok. So back Blinga. Why you try use my name for come back? Why you try use my name to get a comeback on the app? For sure you see I have no credibility. I get a screen recording where you see I look up in the eye system and see me. No credibility. Blinga, which part you looking at the eye system and see me? Cause I don't know what eyes look. I don't know what eyes look like. All the time I say eyes, I will be a come through the bad. I never see it back. And you guys sit on my name. Big up my enemy will start the rumors here because they make me see clear. Whether it be Destiny, whether it be Shamar, whether it be Trev, I don't give a fuck. Whether it be Shay, big uno up. We start the rumors here. Me have a big uno up. I'm pretty done. Go sit down. Sit that one out. President, for you in America, you ever got Jamaica, sit that one out. Come remember me did a friend the other day, I mean you know the papers. Sit that one out. Remember business what you do with Camille? I remember the paperwork not clock not tease yet. How long are they at Jamaica? How long are they in America? Before me even dream of coming to America. And have you ever been to Jamaica, Pretty Dan? So how you get involved in an immigrant argument? How you get involved in an immigrant argument? I don't give a fuck if she gone to Jamaica. But listen to what I am saying. For all of you on the media, we want me for their eyes. I'm not in eyes. I wasn't in eyes. And for all of you who say, oh, me live in a people business, I don't know I rejoice. Baby, you guys are rejoicing about the wrong thing. Because Sky Diamond is still here. And I ain't going no motherfucking where. That's the thing about it. I'm still here. I'm in my motherfucking house. As you guys can see. And I'm not in eyes. And I heard you guys want to see my foot. You ain't got no motherfucking thing that y'all want to see on my motherfucking foot. Right? So I just like stop my personal business. For me, the people that care about me and say, look here, stop worrying yourself. Like these motherfuckers hate me so much. They want me to be in eyes so bad. Even when I'm typing my name in the system and system in the eyes, them still are running the rumors. That's how bad them want me to be in the eyes. So for all of, and then Uko, you need to drop off my logo the same way how you get it. Come in and understand how you have my logo and sit in a box and make some no level bitch I call my name. Drop back my logo the same spot where you get it, drop it off. And if you don't drop it off, then I'm gonna give you a block. You get me? Cause you're not a loyalty. The situation could have been true. Because at the end of the day, ice no make for dog. How much are the Jamaicans in America? Are the illegal? So even if ice did have me, would I be the first Jamaican or the last Jamaican to be in ice? Hell fucking no. And then when me I do on TikTok when nobody else not do? Somebody tell me what Sky Diamond I do on TikTok when nobody else on TikTok not do. Me not everybody else business like everybody else. I review everybody like everybody business. So when me I do on TikTok when nobody not do, so I rejoice so much some of their eyes. And then for all of you I rejoice the past week or the past week and couple days some of their eyes. What I accomplish from it. Yeah, motherfuckers ain't get no. We not get no richer, we not get not even a dollar richer, we not accomplish nothing. Me being in eyes to own a be up on the media, I'm thinking that do something for we not have the car park up outside, we not start a new business. Like when me in eyes do for we not accomplish nothing. And then Serpy, you. The man with the big lip. Step forward. You're fake. I told you a month ago and I'm going to tell you again. You're fucking fake. You're a fake.
Some people, as I say, I'm going to run through this, so let me know what you think in the comment section. We're going to watch some more. And also, people, Destiny come out and say, them did have Sky Diamond and one facility in, I must say, Florida, and then they move or go our next place, and nobody no draw up, like go up on the website or go in a Google and type in her name, because it would have come up if them did all on her. You see me, I just Destiny come and I chat some bag of things where no go so.
Batman pastor, and I don't want to be rude, but you know you're gay, and I hate when people use God and playing on my face. Mr. Serpy, you know he's a gay man because I have gay friend that have been sexual interact with you. Me have gay friend that turn your back with Mr. Serpy and have sex with you. I know you're a fake pastor. So don't use my name for getting no blood clot highlight. Don't use my name for getting no spotlight. The man with the big lip. Mr. Serpy, you're fake. I'm not in ice. It's proven again that you're a fake pastor. It's proven again that you're a fake evangelist. Oh, God never tell us I'm never in our eyes. These are rumors. Oh, God never tell us I'm up on a big king size bed. I'm a butcher fuck up my pussy the past couple of years. Oh, God never give a vision and tell us say I'm not even in a blood clot Florida. I'm in a one next blood clot state. I recently me come back. Oh, God never tell you the things that when me I do and say ice is a no-no. Oh, you is a man of God and he might give you a vision and he don't give you a vision and say sky is not in ice. Eh? So he prove again, you're fake. You're a fake Batman pastor. And which I don't know we are growing and rejoice me ever tell life on the media. Blinger, I never tell you to come on social media and be a careless big man and go make TikTok police the video. Because I'm a lesbian, and if me is straight, may I tell you, TikTok police couldn't suck my big toe. He's a careless big man, blinger. And I did not tell you to come on TikTok and lay yourself careless. You come on TikTok, you lay yourself careless with a young boy, make him video you, and make your video end up in my hand. What me have to do with that? You hate me so much, me have control over your pussy? Me did tell you, say, when God gave the little highlight on TikTok, you feel take flights back to back, go fuck one little boy who could have be your son, and make him video you? Me never tell you to come on TikTok and be careless. So why you hate me because you come on TikTok and be careless? Why you well want me for the eyes because you come on TikTok and be careless? You're a careless big woman, you could have been my mother. Me not have no control over your pussy and how you use it. So why you hate me? Because you TikTok police and the bed when make you lie down on a video you. Don't hate me. Don't hate me. You come on TikTok. God be a little light. Because anytime something good go on in your life, I God do it. It's not the devil. God make people see you and you make a little money on the app, blinger. And all they use your money to invest in a TikTok police. And all TikTok police do was video you, expose you, embarrass you, and bring you down. What that have to do with me? So because you go there with a careless young boy and your video end up in my hand, you hate me feet? Well, okay, join the line. Sunshine, your time now. Sunshine, I'm that bitch. Baby, Sunshine, I'm that bitch. Let's clock to you. I'm that bitch, Sunshine. And then Sunshine, you're in everybody business, and then when me go in your business is a problem. Why the on platform I tell lies and me call your child name? I don't do kid Sunshine. Me tell us your man is a batty man, and that's true. Me tell us your man is a gay man, and that's facts. I'm not the first person, the second, the third, or the fourth person, Sunshine doll, to tell us that the man where you're living at the house with is a gay man. Sunshine, just the other day, you and the man a big war in the house. Was it over, girl? Wasn't it over, guy? Everybody have problems. So why the fuck you have to accept for me? Because your blood clot man is a batty man. I mean, know, I mean, you have things I may tell you. Why are you doing that? You always come for me, and when me retaliate, I'm the bad person. Tell me which one on TikTok? No. Sky Diamond ever come out and don't come with facts. When you come some of their eyes, where is the evidence some of their eyes? And I doubt my up over uno. I have never come on social media and do the most and not receive it. I never do that. Why them people have blood clot invite me? Sunshine doll, you need to go sit down with your man, and you need to go take therapy. And you need to get like a counseling and ask him when really like if a vagina or bottom. Don't take out your problem for me, Sunshine doll. And I'm me first tell us your man a gay. But don't lie on me, I've never mentioned your child. I don't do kids. By the way, I'm not really know say you have pitney. And the screen recording when me get to my ear, I say, oh, me bring down your child. Me I ask the person, say, Sunshine did have pitney. Don't lie on me, bitch. Talk when me say your man is a batty man, and that's facts. I don't know. Me's the mermaid of the Batman them. I love them. All Batman and transgenders are my babies. They're my friends. You guys know that. I love Batman company. I love them friend. I love them friendship. Yes, I love them. I love them. So Sunshine, listen. I have teas for your man. So pat down, baby. And the time y'all go around in a circle and talk about Rosalie, me, this, that. Sunshine, your mother not take the same man before. Let me bring you back down memory lane. Memory lane. Yeah, your man not take you and your mother not take the same man before. Sunshine, why the on TikTok a beat Rosalie for she and Laverne fuck the same man and you and your mama fuck the same man? Sunshine, like why when me come on the media and clock real tease about you no mad at me? No clock real tease about me now? Clock real tease about me. Y'all ain't clocking no real tease about me. And that is the edges I'm have over uno. Couple weeks ago, it's a fake medical. The other day, eyes. I now click no live and clear no ear to none of uno. Anything you don't want to believe, you don't believe. Anything you don't want to believe, you don't believe. Because guess what? You see the people them out there with sense and brain, when they bring the things them come, them know what to believe and when to believe. The other day, when you come with the fake medical, uncle don't believe the fake medical. Because a real doctor place will never make a mistake with palm. And all I want on social media again, all I want to believe the eye story is an stunts again because my name plaster over social media. My name there on my page. Just the other day, me have to walk in a one medical place and do a AIDS test to prove say the medical will then come with fake. So my name there on my page. So why the fuck when I got hear somebody eyes and me come clear no fucking rumors about that? When I can simple type in my fucking name in the ice system and see if I'm there. But guess what? Y'all motherfuckers don't like me. So even when I'm looking at the system and system in the day, when I still run with the rumors somebody they cause well warm for the well, glory be to God, I'm not there and I wasn't fucking there. So what y'all saying now? What y'all saying? Destiny, I tell him you're not credible. I'm gonna tell him again, you're not credible. Don't just get up every day and tell one bag of life for clout and views. No, swat. When you see what me I telling about the people in pan TikTok every day? When you see how them ride me some of their eyes? When you see how them, when you see them have no credibility, where them get the rumors are from some of their eyes? And the rest of people them will hear the rumors and run with it. Is it a case that they cannot read and write? Them don't know how to type in my name in the eyes and see if me dead here? Make it make sense. Is it a case where all of you know when me sip and scream recording and some of their eyes so you can't read and write? Obviously you can't read and write. Because if you could read and write, you don't know say my name Anthony Ford did not hiding it on my page. And if you know the concern so much, you go type it in the eyes and see if me there. So clout you know I look. You know I look clout. So I hope you enjoy the clout. You're not credible. No credibility you not have. Anyways, my people, my SWAT people them, cause I really come for talk to you know, cause me don't want to make no look a low level bitch. We're jealous of me and my lifestyle. Tell no fuck about me, cause me's that girl in a real life. I pretty not even call me name. You find out your gender yet? You find out if you're a girl or a boy? You find out if you like man or woman? But you call me name bisexual girl. Listen, me's a femme lesbian and he's a bisexual butch. We're not the same. Don't call me name. Don't mention me. Don't you ever, for a minute, for a second, mention me. I take fingerprinting and you take strap. We not have the same wall. We not the same. No girl, nah, fuck me with no dildo. Pretty that we not the same. Don't you ever mention my fucking name again. So when you talk about people in America and people business and I start out themselves, baby, I'm gonna start it out. So I'm gonna clock the tears, real fucking tears. But well starts out. And just like I'm in our own business, me in a mind too. Shit. Bigfoot shit. You live on vacation, you live with family. Shit, I'm gonna make you go to Jamaica broke. Shit, why you so wicked online?
As me say, people around here run through that one quick and fast, so make me know how to think, make me watch some more.
We are gonna tell the people them no. Cause the last time I check you say you make them lock me up. Yes! Skydive man! You come report, you come threaten me upon live. You come threaten me upon live. I'm gonna make the report for you. Shit. It's like when you click the live and take the praise to me, their eyes. Baby, how you feel though? Cause I've never been in, you're so fucking like every day I tell the people how you lie. So I said, we didn't really their eyes shade, I click TikTok and take praise to me, their eyes after eyes I do them job. Jesus Christ, Gally, I say you're wicked. So I said, I did really I do them work and lock me up. I saw you that click your live shape on TikTok and take the praise from eyes. What a wicked Bigfoot bitch you be. You're a wicked size 15 Bigfoot gal, you know. Wickedness can't done. Gal, you wicked, you know. My dear. Channel no see screen recording them. She take credit for ice wall me. The girl take the wall credit for me their eyes. And I know ice not see me. What a wicked girl. Eh? You be a Jamaica and I worry about me. When you be a Jamaica, the only time you see your goat go eat a shibada bring your old go eat. What a embarrassment and disgrace. Imagine you're a foreigner we touch down, if you bring out people go eat, and through shibada she say we are beating and they look bad. Shibada bring your old go eat. And shibada wicked too guys. I mean alone see the video with shibada. And share when him out to eat. Me say instead of shibada video the food, shibada a video share food. Hey shibada, you know me like your shibada between me and you. You know me know you work with me shibada. Me say, who is that video they were when she and Shibada, me say instead of Shibada video the food, Shibada video the girl food. Let me see me have the video show. Wait guys, I'm gonna try to find it. I have to find it. I have to find this blood clot. I have to find this blood clot. I wait there. I want the foot there. Jesus Christ. I can't find the foot. My God, I'm gonna go back home. I can't find the foot. You get to girl, you miss it. You miss it. Look pan she the pan vacation and in a dark talk to me. Ain't she? Look, and you know what I don't understand about Shay, guys? Why when Shay in the dark, she have a different look than when the light upon her face. When I ever realized that when the light come off of Shay, she don't look the same. Look on Shay in the dark. I mean, I tell him I have a next picture when the light catch her and she don't look the same. Is this a case where Shay face change when light touch her face? Because when she in a dark and when she in a light are two different persons me I look on. And I don't understand either. Why are you on vacation looking like that? Why are you on vacation in car in the dark arguing with people? Like, I can't do this. Let me go back to me. I'm too pretty to have that bitch on my screen. Like, listen guys. Like, Shay. Girl, go change your slippers. I can't even fit you. When you're Shibada did out to eat, Shibada give you a good view. I must say your foot hang over the slippers. Shay, go buy one orange slippers or one blue slippers. Like, we really tell her the white slippers. But I depend my name every day I take prayers. Imagine I depend vacation and call my name. At least me see I take one page out of my book. At least me see you take one page out of my book. Cause my daughter have her business from she at 13. And me hear you see you start a little business for your son. That's cute. That means I take a page out of my book. Because the whole social media know Princess have her business from she's 13. Yeah, her business is big now. From my daughter at 13 she have her business. And I think the last time I did start my daughter business, you listen me too hype. So oh no. Yeah, take a page out of my book and now give me my credit. When me did a war, I'm tell you if you go start a business for your pit, I mean, I say me too, I pit enough for a business. So, oh no, because I start to look card cleaning and go down like a broke foreigner. Yeah, come tell me about parents' advice and stuff like that. Like, make it make sense. You need to forget. You need to go enjoy yourself. Like, you need to enjoy yourself. It's just the truth. The pink look good on you. Thank you, darling. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna play some music. I don't know why everybody are requesting. I don't know somebody are ice. When I request me for. No ice no somebody. Everybody are request me. Don't request me. Me they are ice, as I wanna say. Don't request me. Crazy.
I need more money than promises here. Let's go. I still get big bitch and it. Let's go.
And then Serpy you. The man with the big lip. Step forward. You're fake. I told you a month ago and I'm gonna tell you again. You're fucking fake. You're a fake Batman pastor. And I don't want to be rude, but you know you're gay. And I hate when people use God and playing on my face. Mr. Serpy, you know he's a gay man because I have gay friends that have been sexual interact with you. Me have gay friend that turn your back with Mr. Serpy and have sex with you. I know you're a fake pastor. So don't use my name for getting no blood clot highlight. Don't use my name for getting no spotlight. The man with the big lip. Mr. Serpy, you're fake. I'm not in ice. It's proven again that you're a fake pastor. It's proven again that you're a fake evangelist. Oh, God never tell us I'm never in a ice. These are rumors. Oh, God never tell us I'm up on a big king size bed and my butcher fuck up my pussy the past couple of years. Oh, God never give a vision and tell us say me not even in a blood clot Florida. I'm in a one next blood clot state. I recently me come back. Oh, God never tell you the things that when me I do and say ice is a no-no. Oh, you is a man of God and he might give you a vision and he don't give you a vision and says.
Alright, the people, we'll go over book 2 of Pops and Blamdem, you know. Be things the people.
Is not in ice. Eh? So you prove again, you're fake. You're a fake Batman pastor. And which I don't know we are growing and rejoice me ever tell life on the media. Blinger.
I must have 10 in 5 days. I cloak me look. Yo, Ray, I cloak me look. You know, I
And son used to do me. Son used to do me. I'm sorry for him. Me sorry for him. Come round me. Oh, you know say I'm a sister man, and you know say me no mean. And son used to do me.
Let it out. Let it out.
back round you and then he must have you again.
We take him back round me, and I saw him live power with him every single
And you see, if you don't know him, you don't understand, say he's just a broken person that need love. I never grew up in a proper home, and I don't give a fuck who feel no type of way. He never grew up in a proper home, and my family took him and was trying to make him feel loved. And you betray me. If you betray me, you betray everybody for me. You betrayed us. That's what you did.
Let it out.
So Bianca, when me did come, cause me say me come here so with you know. When me did come pan live after and do. Remember say you never know him and you try with him and you believe in him after and come. After the incident, no fear you didn't run come and shake like a leaf. Now you have to put him up.
Which incident talk? It come like an
And when you come talk Bianca.
Let it out no man.
Talk, Dav.
What did you told me when you reached out and you said he came to your house and etc.
And I tell you, same say, oh, you're not blaming him and it's not him. And I said, cut the fuck.
So why would he drive come here yard in an hours a shake like a leaf? They beg for put up.
Let it out no man.
Ask him.
Not just when
Go ask him. I maybe the same thing. What remember says as you come off of the live, it happening, you know. So two twos maybe that's why maybe as I come off a live, but him can try here so.
yes, and
Can try here so.
You afraid?
I'm
afraid of what?
You want to stop it?
You don't have to stop.
Bianca,
You can't
I find I'm afraid of foreign police. They're not do
No sir, them wild, them very wild. Remember say I have some friends
So
because
let me
there's
ask
no
you a
way.
question. When we did company live, can remember say screen recording them there when we did come and talk out in dirty deeds, you know. And me talk say my body man, you know. I remember saying talk say piling in your body wall. Time I look for piling in your body wall. Am I lying about dancing in a body man? No, wait.
I don't know about no Batman, but if you ask me if you never, if you
Alright, if somebody says not like us.
I next Yankee.
yeah, but him ex did say to don't.
Yeah, it's like what you said because member say no.
Ask him if he's ready to admit same take the money. Ask him if he's ready to admit. Ask him if he's ready to admit same take the money. Him go meet the guy over the hotel with the 5 man them in the vehicle. Ask him if he's ready to
play the
admit
screen
that.
recording with the man them send you not when safe to use the prop phone. You have to come tell the people and make time go say
Oh,
your
well,
wife.
ask about the dummy phone. No, but make him admit it first. Make him admit it. Make him admit same techie.
bring Blinger in court.
Girl, but you have to prove your evidence them kind of go about shit.
Okay.
You not hear me?
Say I don't have it. Play.
You want to play? Hold on,
Yeah, go on.
Tiny.
So, wanna say rewind back there? What wanna say about Jaden? Did I hear?
I'm on the rewind to
play.
Pops. Me not lie. Want to hear it too?
No, what? I play them.
Yeah, they might play.
Play it, darling, play it.
You blame them, you motherfucker.
Watch out, Blamdem. Me come for
Video with police and me and see me and buck to a fight. You want a wicked boy.
You are Blamdem.
Fuck you.
Yo, put the fire on him,
You look like he never born good. He never finished born yet.
Cool, man. You need. Hey, I wish. Hey, you know, sister, blame them. This is unfair.
You not hear me?
Talk
Yeah.
now, talk.
Pops, tell Buck to if play the voice note, you know, if record it.
No, he rich.
Buck to a club.
He rich, buck to up.
Buck to a. Hold on, file.
I can't bother.
Buck to a come
They rather split the money with man.
Buck to a come here.
Buck to up, you take so long, get it.
Buck to
Buck to up.
No, the money part, I guess she try to clear.
I don't care about the bring down, but if you don't want to bring him down because him sit down on live and bring me down.
Yeah, man,
But I don't care about that's not my thing. My thing is just the fact that you're deceitful.
Where do you put them? Buck to this phone and now put it on the 17. Oh God Almighty.
Pops, I want them, if you want me send no 117 down there.
Go suck your mama, I don't want to phone for the Batman. Hey, I don't put the time, I don't hear this, I don't rest. I don't put the time.
There's no way I'm gonna see you.
God Almighty.
Hey, all right.
Do you want the commoner?
Bianca, The hold on not same so in do we as
Dav,
same so
it's
in
not
do.
nothing but hold on.
No,
Like,
overall,
it's just, I don't.
overall. See, remember saying come a class here, you know, in and just start born no money. Remember saying see your thief 80 grand and yourself fuck. And it's near nobody and in
point me
class.
to the person. So me can sell. Let me ask you something. Let me ask you something. Let me make it clear. Everything the people them what they worship in Miami, we do all of that and we have all of that in front of we and never post on media yet.
So the G-Wagon and the G-Wagon, them and someone come a pose with and they say nice, you know, things them in my
I don't know if nobody put him
Hold on,
G-Wagon.
Make Dav talk. He come because Dav not afraid enough. Dav, talk, Dav.
No, me not afraid because she reach out to me and she not hear out the real business them pan yaso. I mean, I really
reached
like
out
that.
to Dav and I told his mother and him that I'm reaching out to Dav and Pretty Don. Anybody who I'm do wrong, I am reaching out to them.
What you hearing mother say, Blamdem when if you do to me.
But maybe
Friend you.
the audience.
What? So the same thing they do to me. Him should have friend you up and wanna work out the money from there.
Like a judge, because I am a judge.
Something wrong.
And when mother say if you do to chronic law. When mother say if you do to chronic law.
No.
No, let it out.
E-N-E-I.
Jaden, who name Chronic Law, Jaden?
You know?
Who name some?
Yeah, man, not afraid to talk. When you bring down people, when you bring down
Yes.
Who name some? No, but a while ago him on him live when I start bring innocent people into innocent people and I'll come run watch Joe. Damarico, you know say I don't have to hide anything. You start bring up watch and ask fly about it people buy watch. Did I ever say that? Yes, I told you I gave my 12 grand and when the watch come and I go check it out, it is not real. So what? You never see me with next watch. You never see me with next watch.
Me unmute what go on.
Jesus Christ.
Hold on, what you tell me, sir?
Dav, hold on. Hold on, City, hold on.
Hold on. Tell me, sir. A sweet man, butty man. Whoa, hold on, darling.
You know, tell me, Jaden. Wait, Jaden, you know, no man, but I'm back, man. You know, tell me, Jaden. Why me?
Stop.
Remember when me and my Rolex, you were Blamdem say?
He say fake.
In my world, dog, send me down R12. Hold on, we mute. See the talk, I'm gonna get the next cup of water.
I want 12 grand Rolex man away all this time. 12 grand.
Ben, them cookie girls say Rolex fake.
And a 12 grand.
So Bianca, you have more money
Rolex I
than
get for 12 grand.
That's a general about Bianca, more money. Bianca, oh, you look at Bianca mute, so. Bianca.
Oh, yes, she there.
Is him on the go on?
Is him on the what? He's on your phone?
Alright, my people, just let me know what you guys think in the comment section. We'll watch some more, my people. As I say, I don't talk much, because a whole heap of things and the video go long, so I don't want to stretch you out with talking, so I'm going to make I'm going to skip out even some of the part of when I talk, you know, so I'll make the video run, so make me get back in it.
Them. The vice hold on. See that funny thing.
Bianca, you hear me?
Hold on. Hold on.
Bianca,
This is the vice note.
I him they call you? Am I call your phone?
Let me hear that.
You're not on a speaker.
Yeah, man.
Put it on the
Go suck
Bluetooth.
your mother about Bianca Fred. Go suck your mother. Little boy call and talk about come off alive with certain things. Go suck on your mother. On a piece and nobody don't have nobody to back them. Why is it that you can't talk good and come on media then? On a piece and nobody afraid, pussy. And now leave me alone to you know.
Bianca, money do thing. Don't fear, darling.
None of them tell Bianca. None of them.
Bianca, me single.
Come me burn down your house. Me have gas pan. None of them. Say, what are we
This suck with Blamdem signs, sir. All block this off.
You have to,
Bianca, me single.
Punch a girl like your mother.
Moderator, listen to me. When you don't fuck up now, you know, black them enough.
Bianca.
Come in like the gas pan and the whole of we all dead enough.
Hold on, Pops, hold on. Bianca, me single, yeah? That's how I can know. Just put it out there.
No, Jade, yeah, go, man, Jade.
Ah, yes, you, Mr. Dunceman. I'm glad I see a comment. You, Mr. Dunceman. You're in background talking about long time and I like that girl there.
But conduct yourself.
What is about see the live flag?
So what am I going to report Bianca line? Bianca, come back, Bianca.
Go on and come again, darling. Go on and come again.
Come on, we have all night, darling. We have all night.
Yeah, man, this can get time. Give me enough time for that.
And I'll come back, Bianca. You see, Uno just.
Me not really have nothing to say, nor does she want me there, so she reach out and just want her to talk.
Report the girl. All I
He can talk.
Can't should report the girl page. Hold on there. On the Rocky moderator. All I want to follow me, block them. Right now. Block them now. Me I show the blood class.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you like a work back.
It a work, darling?
I mean, yeah, if it does. What you say, guy, do in the background?
Hear out the life, people. It's interesting.
The guy where you say they talking about background, but girl and something.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
when you
the dunce man in background. And I would hope it's really not you because I'm not even gonna start right there. I'm not even gonna start and say certain things, really and truly. But the same, and then it is the next one. The same people why you walk and talk, so setting up your life, you run gone round them.
But blame them this man. Come on, come.
Oh.
No, you're a good man. You put it on the big speaker, man.
Yes, man. You did on the big
But to a plane I can't.
You can explain to them you guys know probably, I say.
But you can't play I can't turn you up in a scheme, that's all.
There's the X4 gone, you know. So that will play night.
The official court, I think, starts tonight at 9 o'clock.
Who will speak up, look?
What?
Take off my clothes.
That boy Blamdem. Dav, you hear me?
Yeah.
Go on, you're a law boss, Pop.
Yeah, Dav. You don't know loudspeaker can play.
I don't have no loudspeaker. No.
Blamdem, we can't believe you this year.
She can explain, like, me don't know what or something. She can explain, well, recording, or she recorded, so she can explain.
Yeah,
Evidently,
It's not me record, it's the man them what give him the money recording.
So she not have no clue.
But explain to them where recording, I say when do to you, you have to tell them.
Oh, what I'm telling them about,
some more.
change number or give him dummy number so when him call and act like basically it's a setup.
Well, I've been
So when I call in, no, he not go answer all type of foolishness.
just informed me that
And you still go say you never get no money.
you know,
Sit there, hold on. Sit there.
More you're chronic now, Pop.
Put up your life, go out. People and change up.
Oh, this sound like him changing number for you.
No, I met the guy that gave the money. He's asking him if him don't have no other number where when him calling it, him can't act like he going straight to voicemail. So basically him did want make it look like say is the original guy thief the money.
I set up against people. You know?
Of course.
You know that?
And he must set up
Yeah,
the
man,
man.
listen.
Must set up the man and give him money too.
Of course.
Everybody must stop.
I'm like for you.
Well, they have a whole setup there, yeah.
And once again, it's not even about the money. It's just the mere fact that you're so
I
deceitful.
appreciate that. I really appreciate
True.
that.
When me see my do still Dav me no life. Cause that little white girl they come chat up. Oh, call your bitch. Call
I
your
know
bitch.
Dav Bianca.
Yes, when me see my do them. Dav me see Blamdem for life with one girl few days ago. A little round copper color girl. You know see how she look.
The suit, you want to look like transgender?
Yes. You want right now you hotter girl and better girl. Right now me out harder. Me should have jump off her rope and hang to put you with her. God kill me.
You're not asleep tonight. You asleep?
I would Jay them gone. But Bianca, as me say, Bianca could just contact you too. Because I said that boy, I want wicked and evil
Of
boy.
course,
Yeah?
one
And
said
love
that
for
to somebody.
thing.
Remember, say one said that it could have been say a set up to kill me. One said that to somebody. Why you sleep with, you're dangerous.
You don't come back, Joe.
So,
And all them little friend them, all of the little mascot them around him. If uno can't take that and mark the type of person him is, uno dangerous in himself too.
well, on there, Bianca, if in the run you and Nicki Minaj will feed him so, and they might chat down for Nicki Minaj. We never say nothing for Nicki Minaj. I'm just give you an example. You see people like that where you see chat other people and they sit there. If he can link me now, he come to you and
If
start
they want to hear the law boss
Yeah.
part, they say, but or something.
Eh?
Hold on,
Oh,
is
Lama.
the law my mother arguing now? Hold on.
Her mother and him argue.
They still have that in Jamaica.
Thick lad people, this is Blamdem. Alex soup out a cock mouth.
Several times he come on TikTok, I call up my name and you notice me ignore him.
And I feel like,
Yeah, Bianca.
Hold on.
Then Jamaica, go ahead. You say you go on. You say you go up online and call me name. So go on online and call me name.
And just give me. You can't say nobody knows.
Jamaica.
Pussy, remember say you go shoot up down Miami Gardens.
Jamaica.
Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. Police will get you right now too. Remember say on news.
Nothing, Jamaica, and me and you the talk. So go ahead. Come in the eyeglass like you. Go ahead.
Blamdem don't pass us now.
What me I say, Bianca.
Hold on,
Oh, go on live and call people name. And anyone do that. Alright. Remember say your mother don't sit right in America. No. Any of you do that, watch me and you. As a matter of fact, do what you have to fucking do.
So what me
I want wicked boy. Boy, man, I tell you, the boy. Wicked boy, shame me. Me see him
But all along him block everybody, ignore everybody. So why now? You see why did you see why
you talk about him dirty?
You see exactly why it take for him to actually to get response all time? Why all along you block people? No response, nothing.
Like you either. So that's
Girl, a mind game because I got my mind game and I can't take it fuckery, you know. Me soon jump off of this because me like when people playing us straight and ear out and talk how we go and what said and what not said.
They ever come about the money and I did already tell you that.
Everybody people them know about the money, but
everything was already in this
TikTok. Things when come on TikTok and talk about people and talk about me and when mother say about me and when mother say about me if you do to chronic law when it reproduce a call and talk the things them where you sit down around them and ear with your own ears. You have to talk.
Yeah, talk up, man.
Me no want come contact and then it look like say, oh, I know you tell me. You go look
But
like
it's me wanted in the vehicle. I'm not afraid. Nobody's scared of that part. But that's just not what I came for.
You have to talk.
So you can't repeat and I can't confirm
something. You can't come about one dry something. You have to talk.
That I come about.
Yeah, but him been a talk about money. Him been a talk about the money. Him been say you're a liar. That $2,000 when you just come and see a 50. So you
when did I ever say anything about $2,000? I look like
but he said it was 2,000.
No. I may put a narrative out there. I may kind of put you out there. I never really know in depth. May kind of put you out there for $2,000. So I will low line. But anyway, Bianca, you see when somebody snake you. So Bianca, hold on.
When people play on straight, talk
just
straight how we go. You can't come and make it come like say I should have business.
Somebody try to bring it down and set you up, chat every blood clot thing and make you move in pussy hole. I time for you come down now, black.
I don't want to because I don't want to look like say.
But Dav, you know why I'm saying not set up in that either. Not.
I don't want to look like
what,
say.
they call and want make you look like saying care about Sonic Law.
Hold on. Remember saying come and talk up say. Me they reach out to you, me and my man, and him go come and New York, come shoot up.
But he knows that's not the case.
No, he said
this is the same live.
He has recorded.
See mother say Adar. And see him live.
Listen up, remember saying he said that pan live, you know, and you reach out to you know, and you reach out to me and they tell you what they want, cause things turn over and things get sour. Me just say alright, me like listen to what people have to say. No matter what me want hear, all if me not like them, me want hear what on their mind. Me want hear what they depend, what they up to. And since talking to you, I've heard a lot of stuff. So me I tell us say talk me.
Just kick off the first kick off, first couple minutes of kick off.
People them know what I stay, why he said I never live nowhere if you true kind say me a liar and I did live in yard. When I hear yard, you live for much months.
After your situation.
Let me tell her when I try to do girl. You might twist it on the media for girl look bad. That me see my biggest day.
Yeah, and they come and call all my name. Me no want him call me name because me not mess with him. He no call me name. Me stay far from him. Him a wicked. Everybody grown in wicked too.
Yeah, man.
Everybody
in wicked too. So not none.
the box. It like neatly, like like them don't know. Oh, I
Too wicked, man.
I tell you, come down.
I'm Bianca, I'm not afraid of them. If they're around pretty, call the police. Call the police. Call the police, sweetie.
So them a you have to understand, so the America lie, no? The America will sit down there and start call up different people name and tell lie.
Go funny live, we can't hear really curl dirty boy.
How much money you thief on the girl? $50,000.
take over there now.
Hold on, see Jaden now, man. Hold on, see Jaden come back. He come back.
So them boots.
We're going to go find Blamdem now.
Them boots him up. So boots him up now.
Then the man start trying to spin the night and say we are team up against him.
Nobody not talk about sets up. It's about listen now, if somebody reach out to you and they tell you everything, nobody now come on TikTok and sugarcoat. You think me what me not look no hype on you say no? Me not look no hype on TikTok.
I gotta make up the league. You gotta give me gun around and go get Suki gun around. Don't think I like Suki now.
And America, your big pussy mama will eat fit near pussy those stink. Make me and you go at it now, dog shit. Because everything, your big pussy mama will tell you call bash you like on a business, but blood clot, chronic law. So when chronic law come out, chronic law can advice be free. Tell me now, big pussy nasty. Got what's your name? What the mother name? What the mother name, Dav? What the mother real name?
I don't remember what mother name. I have to go look.
The mother is not no Sheena. The mother don't name no blood clot Sheena.
I have to look for me TikTok.
Wow, come bring people mother. Yeah, but smell her pussy. Suck pussy, the Marika was suck pussy like dog. Yeah, but smell her pussy, dog shit. The piece that you pay from a one number legs to every blood clot man might do it.
12 grand to buy LP1. And a fly lifestyle in give money, dirty guy. I have them go some of them are back.
And AJ go mad your pussy hole. You are your mama. You are your blood clot mama. Dog shit.
Bianca.
I'm not even call nobody.
Come over there.
Me know, but Bianca.
Bella no want to.
Bianca.
He must say cheese one push out Bella and come in at the space and so he must come.
I want on the mute.
Over there.
Bianca. You see enter that me I tell you.
No, we tell her saying go bring up. Me
No, I hear him start bring up next people. I don't know say once you bring up certain people, me and you go at it, you know. Once Dav.
Bianca, you know tell Bella. Just expect it. You know tell Bella. Don't worry about it. You know say I want good girl. Yeah.
But people tell me something, my mother. Dog shit. Is that mother two nobody don't open restaurant with you and your bumper clock mother.
Him no know that, you know. Bella them call bling and say, no, gonna take it on 2 days to your birthday.
You know what I want to answer them, bro. You man and me offer them support in America, bro. I mean, I said, you know what anyone say, go call
me tell you
that shit with your fraud marriage with Timoni Cameron. Your fraud marriage with Timoni, blood clot Cameron. When you can go and Broward clerk of blood clot court with your buy title vehicle. Your vehicle was JJ by blood clot title for. And you call police on the boy. The man buy title and you call police on the guy when he didn't want to give you back your vehicle. When you did not bad.
Me tell you to talk, cause he go come disrespect you. You must yourself. Pussy, me tell you talk. He my body boy. Me tell you.
So make him line up the man. Make him. I saw Dav.
One you Blamdem a be line tell. Be a line. No tell. Be a line.
I'll come bring up next man. The next man is your problem. The next man is your problem.
Yeah, she feel away. She feel away.
I told you.
That's crazy.
I told her.
I know, said that's why I never itch today. From I hear the American him live and come about what story and something. So the fuck what? So what?
Why this make me weak?
Bianca, the boy shot him.
The people, boy, Pops and Buck to have a field there with this man. Yeah, no, I see, boy, Blamdem at today. See you bring down there, you bring down how much people, so you have to just take for you bring down, master.
You in the ball,
You shot your game gun around.
Linda Hanks, why you have her credit card? Damarico Smith, Linda Blood Clot Hanks. Linda Hanks and Mary Blood Clot Jane. Talk about that, sir. Talk about that. Remember, say I don't scam. I don't scam.
My dear. So I'm afraid of him. Hear this little retard, so we're afraid of him. You see a car payment team fuck Bianca for.
You fuck me for car payment, but your car payment don't pay almost 1 year now, don't it? Because you take out track and something, don't it, Damarico? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. You take out the track out of your vehicle.
I'm by title.
Okay.
Send them first.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, mommy, you know, send
Mommy tell you to hear it out long time.
Mommy, Bianca,
No, Dav, I didn't. And listen to me. I'm not afraid of nobody. The reason I didn't come on live for that, I am not like Damarico
But
and
seeing
people
jump
them.
on you, they alright.
Hold on, Dav. I am not like Damarico and him people them will go come and
Get off. What am I talking about?
leave.
Tell mommy say I be a line out.
Mommy, what mommy there, mommy?
I be a line out, tell mommy.
Mommy,
Hear him. Pussy, I go send yourself go jail. Dog shit.
You say you have fraud people much money and you don't want to give no money.
Dav, me can't make Damarico know my business. You know, so Damarico is gonna come with anything right now.
Alright.
Me can't, why I'm not worried about him, mama, when in, Dav, everything, why I'm don't go worry about him mother while even a blood clot wrong name. Tell me. Oh.
And you look how you buy baby car seat and do the most and then do no.
what you call it? The apartment what Damarico just get is me. They deny the boy because the boy go tell the people about him do TikTok as salary. TikTok can't be no blood clot salary, dog shit, idiot, but man.
idiot.
Pussy, I just get a euros. Tell them that. Dog shit. Hear it, but Rico, you can read what me and him blood clot. Me and Damarico. Me and him. Dav, I tell you already. Dav,
I'm here.
tell you, say, jail is not missing him. I can tell everybody that.
He said he
Take you back from him. Can't can't pay a fee. Nothing else, girl. But suck your mother, girl. Look how long media want it and something answer you. You come and confirm. Amen.
Me can't bother ya, man, cause...
Dav,
Oh,
you hear me?
yeah.
You know where boy I try make you do now? If I'm and this a girl, I'm talk everything.
Me I talk everything.
Yes, everything me I talk, Dav.
Everything did already in the post. From Nicki Minaj, you said Nicki Minaj wants skeng and skeng loyalty. Everything did already there. I never hide nothing. Everything else, I'm not going to tie up myself in things. And as a matter of fact, I don't give a fuck. I am scared for my life, so I never reported certain things, certain actions that Damarico did. But I will surely go with the police article and with the wanted for whoever did it. I will surely go down to the station.
So serious?
You're not gonna do it to me. I'm scared for my life. I am so scared for my life.
Yes. The people them stand with you. See people them stand with you. Stand. Everybody, one Bianca and I chat.
Right.
One Bianca, Bianca. Right. Talk sweet. Talk.
I will message them, broke like dog.
Hey, enough is enough about Blamdem, man. Your time come now. Every day I come from the people, black people, I try to put people what?
And the whole I bank them and the cash IRS check. Dirty people them bro.
Hear them. They hear him a class, the people money.
Yeah, but well, no. Okay, no problem.
People them treating for the money. Eh? Fucking people them buy your party man. Boy, you have blind
I send nobody message them to this phone.
Yeah, you have blind them. You have line for waistline over a girl yard. You know to say about it. Hold on there. Dav, you have some kind of disease.
We're trying to give her the life. It's scamming money, bro. Scamming money now going over that. We're not dirty nasty people, bro. Scamming money now being over that.
I'm not hearing nothing.
So Dav, you hear me?
Yeah.
Don't want to make you look so much. You know,
Me not know why I
Look like you have
swear.
to yourself mixed with look like what
Dav, you see my take big pill.
You have to ask Bianca. Remember, say, me don't know if you mix you up. But Bianca and him did deliver, no me. Me don't know. We just,
Dav, you know, said America live on pill. Not for STD, but you know, said America.
yeah, me know saying take a pill them every day. But me don't know his status if he still a take them. Him
You
still
look
take
so
the
much
pill.
like sitting on your mouth here in Calabona.
Hear him. Hear him.
you don't look straight. You don't look straight to me.
Alright, Mr. Ass Fetish.
Eh? Turn up, man. Talk.
Here I'm come, Dav, online. You know Damerica style. Okay.
Hear him say AJ camp. He say you say AJ campaign rent.
Missed that.
Who fucking about it? Say
Hear
AJ.
that. All because
So you tell him say AJ sexy and
Okay. All because him know say him asked me to fuck me in my ass and I said no. Okay.
Bianca, we have than him. We have more people than him over there. In Bill, I tried script 4,000.
And that is his problem. Him man fly lifestyle and itching and want call the people them name. People don't see you. I have your recording where you say the people them who are big grey back man and don't have nothing out of life. And I tell you stop disrespecting people. Certain people you can never disrespect around me. You can never disrespect certain people. And you know that. You know say I never speak bad on that person. You know that dog shit. You know that. And that is no problem.
I'm recording with me and AJ. Listen.
Then him don't go and go play. I tell you, that's his problem. Wanna bring the money? Why bring him in it for? Is he a part of it? Is he a part of it?
A mind game. You don't bring everybody. You see people when you're close to, you must try to turn them against you.
But so what?
After you know him. You can't tell everything more comedy before you come with it.
In come off it? Oh, I play something.
We're going to play recording video. We're going to talk.
Then him don't go and go play. Jail is not missing him. Jail is not missing him. Remember say him mother up on Polar Glen. Oh, and not to forget Dav. You know what the other day Damerica drive go down West Palm Beach. I have the lady name and I shall call them. And to him desperate Dav. The man go give client vehicle while him drive every day. Every day go give the client the vehicle.
Every month that girl in a problem with it. Every fucking month I got sent. That girl is a troublemaker, dog. That girl is a troublemaker. You're troublemaker, tell the people are troublemaker.
Yeah, get one last.
You're troublemaker, bro.
Bianca, see every month you have...
I love you. Every month. The girl is a problem. But the girl is destruction, bro.
You can't add him mother because his mother keeps saying Adar because all of them go get it. All of them go get it. Bad girl Tiana or something like that.
Where mother name Bianca?
Bad girl Tiana.
Bad girl Tiana, send the request now or me I go block you. I'm so sorry. On add bad girl Tiana.
I don't think I know but you can rob her 50,000.
You see?
People who pick sense out of nonsense.
I don't think girl but you can rob a woman 50,000.
So I really them the nasty this Blamdem I go with. I can't blame them bumbo clat I got with them there.
Me tell her saying
Nasty freaky Blamdem. But you go and Blamdem. Think so we don't know we're gonna find out my youth sooner than later. Nothing anti night that Blamdem man. You bumbo.
Yeah man.
And I can chat about this gangster.
You see, probably my fuck me quick cook and me not trouble man. Me just not answer, me just love
I see my customer too far when I not answer him after how much more.
Yeah.
Me not answer him.
You know him.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to send somebody go to prison, bad man. And you know, say man, so look dirty, nasty dog shit. You see me and the thief people money. Can't run say the America
A
boy.
$50,000 boy thief and the girl no crick up.
He come off or
You have to run the money. You have to run it.
he any
You
life?
see me? The boy have to go run it.
Bianca.
G-Wagon payment. The car under CPN and the girl take out the check out the car. So it's not all that glitter is gold. Half the story has never been told. That the G-Wagon the way girl drive up to ask her if when last she pay a car payment for G-Wagon. Ask her when last she pay the car payment for G-Wagon. That's enough to ask her say. She want about 9-month payment on the G-Wagon paper. She not pay no payment, she take out the check out her car so then can't find if you report. A girl now no money, bro. That's it. Alright, if you had this mish, we have Lamborghini and rich. Why the fuck can they bill over 50 grand? No man call me, bro. No man no call me, bro. You get out of hand now. Hey girl, I just say the bill over 60 and now get it, go suck your mother. Me go take this money, I go buy leads. This alright. 110 grand rent one new apartment now one different state. 110 grand murder Dav. Murder Dav. 110 grand murder one done. One bumbo clock 5,000 US murder buck to one pops to Jamaica. And this have to buy food. My mother can go suck you mother. This have to buy food and maintain my lifestyle till me find a client. Me go show them. Remember say me can't scam from. Remember I don't have to do 9 to 5, you know. Remember I don't have to do 9 to 5. Me a scam a pussy. And one client me call pussy. Remember them don't look for me for scamming already, you know. Me not get no papers in America. Me life done for. Me not get no papers. If police hold me I got prison. Me life done, pussy, you know kind of war. Me life done. Me a madman. See that? So me prescribe to a special medication. I don't know that to me prescribe. You can ramp with a madman out. A madman we have leniency for a dirty blood clot. Me a top driver car to me. I go buy one cheap car soon. Me go show you say me a wanted man. Me go roll like a wanted man like me used to roll. A man we prescribe to medication and an overlifer. Hey girl, your name under CPN. Me go type up in name, Bianca Cargill. She a 3 different social girl have. She just get one new social a while ago. Under CPN, pan Oakland Park, a youth named Rico. Me go show you Rico. Rico business name Clans and another. Me go rip Rico the pan probation right now. And that the little Asian man with time guy Oberman. The Oberman where they are bumbo clot where name there. The Oberman where they are Oakland Park where the Asian man where my camera name got the Oberman. Hey girl, and she say Oberman no real. All Oberman could tell say me go rob you. Pussy. Or me Oberman could tell her that say, oh, don't send him any money, he's gonna rob you. Oberman no real, fucking need that girl. Oberman a scam you. Oberman is not real, bitch. Oberman no real. All Oberman could tell say me go rob you. Eh? If Oberman the real pussy, then Oberman don't tell say, bumbo clot, don't send the money to him, he go rob you. You know, long me a plan to rob you, dirty girl. You know, long me have in me heart say, girl. What's when you tell you want open restaurant with the bumbo clot, your ex-man. After you tell me I did that broke. Dirty girl, me did that broke. I just sit down did I want to take my money. When me go bumbo clad work hard for go up restaurant to the ex-man with AJ. Go suck your mother girl, me take this bumbo clad. Cause me now make you up boy. All the pan phone the answer man right side of me. You know no respect for me. Go suck your mother girl. People listen to me, if you have a girl, bro, and the girl did it broke. No, you 200 money. You and the girl did it broke and no money, bro. And like me sister, me find a client. One client live up a bumbo clad. St. Petersburg, Florida, a client live. St. Petersburg, Florida, a client live, bro. A client to me have. A client live at St. Petersburg, Florida. That's where a client live, St. Petersburg, Florida. And me call the client, but me say to the client, say, hello, how much money you are win? And the client say, I'm not interested. And show me ignorant and me broke and I want a piece of money. Me diss up the client and she said to me, say, alright, don't run the client. We can take out a loan pan our house behind our back. So when she call the client now, she say, yeah, our mother give me my number to take out the loan pan the bumbo clad client house. You see me? So when he try to take out the loan pan the client house, she must say it no work out. But when me Google the client name, bro, the bumbo clad house sell. So the girl no give a man the client number behind the back and the man him sell the client house and chop the client behind the back, bro. And take out lien pan the client house behind the back, bro. And me say, alright, I make that slide. Me can show you it, bro. Watch her. Let me show you it right now. Go suck when the mother no call me phone. Don't call me phone, pussy. Don't call me phone. Suck out to the mother. Don't call me phone, pussy. Hey, girl, me tired of you now. Me tired of you now, pussy. You can't link with me enemy them. Me go show you now, pussy. Look here now. Me go look up the client house right now. Show you say client house sell. The girl go give man make the client and chop the client behind the back. The girl go chop the client behind the back. See client, bro. See client bro. See client name Valorine. See client number there, bro. See client, you know, can look up Valorine name. Look here. Valorine or sell. Look here. See full report. Watch here. Or as me get a client number, a client or sell. A long time a girl rob me, bro. Cause suck your mother girl and have them. Go and go team up with me. I go bring her down pussy. Me go mash up your stress and ramp with me. See client number, I go that send me number and show you. And look up the client number was. And you go see say oh sell. Watch here. Suck your mother girl. Me show you something. Look here. Look see no lie me I tell. Look here now. Me that send me client number. Watch here. The girl give me the client and so, take out loan from the people. Watch here. Me show you something. Me I make you all away go press the pussy. See client number there. Me and him call the client. Look here now. Watch here. Me go look up the client name. Suck your mother girl. Me show you say. Make we go prison for scamming money. Since I say I want to go prison, because you don't know me, girl. You say me a wallet dog, and I could wall out, and could just make your money go on, because I know have more to lose than me, dog. Because I can't, dog. If you don't want to go war, me can't go war, bad man. You can't. Watch ya, look ya. You don't go pan Zello, a client, or sell, bro. You don't go pan Zello, bro. Watch ya. Watch ya, people. Suck out to no matter. I don't know me pussy. Watch ya. Dog, you can't, you know something enough to ramp with me, bro. You know enough to ramp with me, bro. You know enough to ramp with me, bad man. You know enough to ramp with me, bad man. You know enough to ramp with me, bad man. You know enough to ramp with me, bro. All criminal them, bro. I'm go give them a people my man number too. When I have a take out loan from people house. Yeah, bro, girl have me a book Airbnb, bro, fame. They have me a book Airbnb and they take out and when him a book all my dog them me have a book Airbnb, bro. The girl have me a book Airbnb, bro. The girl have me a book Airbnb, bro. The girl have me a book Airbnb, dog. The girl book place them off of Airbnb, and when he book place them off of Airbnb, he buy the people them social off a Telegram, off a Telegram for $20, and when he buy people them social off a Telegram for $20, he take out loan from the people them house and book it on Airbnb. I have my name, bro. And my name the book Airbnb them, you know, bro. My name, and the girl no want pay me, bro. Watch her. My name Damarico. Dog, bad man, don't call me, bro. Me done a girl, dog. Me not done, bro. Me go done. No, watch not Bill, bad man. Me not done, bro. Cause me tired that me cup overfull, bro. Me no want a man call me, bro. I don't know me a mad man. I don't know if you ramp with me, bro. Girl, now look at people. Me go give back a girl money, you know. Watch your people. 10, 20, 30. Dog, gonna top report me page. Top report. 40,000 this a people. 40,000. 45,000. You hear what the girl say? The girl say, "Pani life, so me split money with man." You hear what the girl delusional, her mind I play with her, you know. Cause if you show how she know how she stay, dog, or she just split money with her ex-man, she think me I do her same thing, bro. Fad, me not spend the money, plan to give back a girl the money, bro. God kill me, so me plan to give back a girl the money, dog. I when me see a girl come put on my picture up on me, at that time, me change my mind and say, you know, so me nah mother give me money, bro. Me have the money to give back a girl the money, bro. A girl upon level say me spend the money. Me dog take $5,000 out of the money and give me 45,000, bro. Cause suck your mother, girl. You now get $1 now. Me go take the money and buy leads and lock with frown, bro. And now go.
My people, let me know what you guys think, right? Because Blamdem, I go talk some things, you know, my people, and I say, yo, me feel like Blamdem smart and that for incriminate himself and America that him they know and play with the law over there, so you see it. But him say him life done, so make we hear what him have to say, my people, because he come like him a take down himself and take down everybody with him.
Hear from me, dog. Me go slung and scam, bro. Alone, you know, pussy, dog. You know, pussy, dog. No man can't tell me to get off life because suck on no mother, dog. What are we a got prison, dog? Remember, say me have a picture of IRS check them for no cash, you know. And the bank look for the IRS check them, you know. Your mother, your bum there on the top, call me phone, bro. Me do me have the dog. You see me? You know, link up with Davina Macintosh, we scam Randy, and Bumbuckler, Linda Hanks. Linda Hanks, Davina Macintosh scam Linda Hanks. He claimed with 50,000 and send it to our people in New York and have the fraud marriage. She married a man in New York, a fraud marriage. She paid Davina Macintosh. See her up feds. I'm going to show you, girl. Say, don't fuck yourself. Cause me and my girl in an argument, I buy you out. I go bring her night to dirty girl. See her name, she get eviction. Man name Lewin Marlon. See man, they see them LLC there. them involved in a fraudulent scamming. Scamming, they involved in gun trafficking. They sending gun to Jamaica. A man send gun to Jamaica. A man a buy gun and send to Jamaica. See there? See the man, see Davina name there. Dog on the top text me dog. See there, Davina Macintosh. That I girl when name Dav and Leeway and Marlon. That a bumbuckler one dan, he man. Them a gigolo dog. Suck on the mother, 50,000 to give on a life. I see their name the feds. Suck on the mother, man card. So no go for no liar dog. See there? Suck on the mother dog. Dog, we don't want nobody to text me dog. We don't want to tell me nothing now. See them there? And this a girl named Bianca Cargill. Me Google her name. Be eviction de her name. The girl a CPN. The girl a contact when me put eviction pan her name. Bitch, tell the people them say a fraud social. Where fuck me a pay one rent for somewhere for when Dav them done Bianca Cargill. Girl, you don't know if you're enough ramp in me pussy. Eh? You don't know if you're enough ramp in me, girl. Eh? You don't know if you're enough ramp in me. You girl have paper. You spend something on that CPN, bro, you can move out tight, dog. If you rent an apartment on that CPN, bro, nothing wrong if you move out of the apartment, bro. They got to put evacuation on her name. The apartment on that CPN, solitaire brickle. Fraud, solitaire brickle she rent on that CPN, fake social. Show the people much money. Say her name, yeah, on Google. You Google her name, much something come up, go suck your mother, girl. A fraud social she use get the apartment. What the fuck me I pay the rent for? If a fraud social I use, dirty girl. Eh? Where the fuck me they pay the rent for if a fraud social I use? We met Jaden them and Pops them a put in a problem. Eh? And bumbucklad buck to a scam some people. Buck to a scam them a people. When me show you buck people I'm buck to a scam. They gon' need suck on no matter. Me go carry on you on pussy. Wall on no got prison with me. Wall we got prison. Me show you people buck to a scam. Buck to Blamdem and buck to. Blamdem and buck to. Me show you people buck to a scam. Me show you people buck to a scam. Me go show you people buck to a scam. Suck on no matter. Me go show you people buck to a scam people. Suck your mother. You can't argument with me pussy. You know say me a crash out. Well, we a got press the pussy. Dog, me a come for sure say me not follow up a girl. Me come with prop money yesterday because me no want piss off a girl. Me come with prop money yesterday, dog, for sure say me a try get the girl off of my case. And the girl a pussy, bro. The girl get out a hand bad man. This a girl a get out a hand bad man. The girl got out a hand bad man. This a girl a never have the behave over money. We a spill me, bro. Girl rob me much money, bad man. Much scamming money rob me, bad man. Eh? Much money you rob me, big pussy thinking, gal. I mean, I say nothing, gal. Much money you rob me, I mean, I say nothing, bad man. And the one time you rob you the bill war. You shan't take your loss, bro, and go suck your mother, gal. You not get $1 pussy. No, that make it worse. Go suck your mother. If you not paper, think about this a paper.
I was trying to find a company, but my credit is not the best. I was trying to find a company to either refinance the vehicle, or if it's not refinance, I was trying to make it somebody buy it back and just get out of it because I realized that something was going on.
Yo, I pray, bad man. Bad man, go suck your mother, no call me phone, you. Tell boy, you, I want me know your friend. How this I go suck your mother. Oh, no man, no call me phone. Hold on, go suck on the mother. Bad, this me I deal with. Go suck on the mother. I'm going to show you something. Dog.
No, not the other thing.
Yeah, the girl's obsessed with AJ there. Yo, Draco, I'd call you up. Draco, call me, Draco, call me. I the only add a girl. Send me a girl number, Draco. Draco, send me a girl number. Yo, you see the girl when name call ya, the girl with Draco there with now, he suck the girl pussy. The girl tell me say he suck him pussy. You feel me? The girl tell me say she suck her pussy. Me record it. Hold on.
Maybe that support. As in like, when you start going like you're cute and this so.
Yeah, my call the girl. After man the girl kick off from me, then I call the girl a friend up the girl. Yeah, I suck pussy girl that I be a pussy that girl in him.
So a friend up after him cuss you.
After him cuss me, friend me up back. After him check me, call friend me up back too.
He ain't have time check me and cuss you, he not the friend you up.
Yeah!
Bro, I say, I'm telling you, I'm mad. You see that thing come on my life, they try to.
Yeah, exactly. I'll come on to take us and make gift. What's the interstellar?
When you send that, when you do it.
Alright, look, say I saw intent for you. You got delusional, bro. Don't make it. Look here. After time style, look at my friend me up now. Look here.
So you're running now, you're running after. You're running away?
Yeah, me run her away. Me clap her every time I find her page and me clap her because she ever watch me, so I always a clap her.
Actually, lock up in it's a girl lock up in her room all the whole day on the side. In nothing they do.
In a tough we do. No.
Nah, gonna know no can't manage my eat, bro. Dog, I'm gonna go harder, bro. I'm gonna show you something. Me nah give them all of me a minute. Me no can't manage my eat. Can me do them sitting here for fun, bitch. And you know that to shit in a plate, girl. Go suck your mother, girl. Imagine you have suck only fan girl pussy, dirty girl. Look how girl was saying sucking.
She not nothing for the man. A mad girl like the youth.
She needs something.
Him and him are delusional.
Money on board.
Spend your money on board.
That man, and sometimes they ain't no money, you know. Yeah.
Which him bumbo clad.
Nothing bad, man. Draco can't tell him. Draco did it all the time anymore.
Regular me call Draco and tell Draco said that girl
you know, see, he put up, look on his story when he said, me did a film him in a time when he down. You know, see, he said.
Look when he said, look how he got delusional. Look when he said, look how he got delusional. The girl have the audacity and say me did a fit. Look here. He said, look when he said me did a film any time when he done. I did me so, bro. Look here when he said. Look here when he said. For how long now I sat was there. Hear me say. At their fucking lowest. And Lenny said, look when he said lowest. And Lenny said, look when he said, someone that would be there for me if I needed their good times. So if me did a film. So if me did a film, where you tear me down so from me that? You're delusional bitch. Cause suck your mother girl, make your mother the boots up. Bro, you know, said the woman when a big woman will live when my mother friend, bro. My mother friend there, you know, bro. You know, say girl, I'm mother. The girl tell the girl say I'm mother, they tell him to do this. And that's why I bring down his suck up mama, you know. His mama breed pan his father for proof point. You know, say his mama dog, his mother have a pitney right now, you know. His mother just breed, you know. His mother just have one daughter, bro. You know, say his mother go fuck. Bianca mother go fuck and breed. Just to prove pan him bumbleclad father. Three father go breed for another man. And the girl go fuck and breed. Bianca mother dirty girl like him, bro. Him and his mother is same thing. You see man when mother breed for an ex-man friend. AJ and ex-man and AJ friend breed his mother. So two of them are fuck his same friend. Two of them are fuck his same friend. One a fuck AJ, daughter they fuck AJ and the bumbleclad mother they fuck Leon. And the two of them are friend. You see me? A dirty people them. His mother got breed for the man because his mother breed for the man, so his father got breed one other girl. Bianca father breed one other girl and gone to California and live with the other girl. So hear him to me, but him pay his father liar fee and his father is a pussy and his father named Cargill Howard. His father, every day boy his father a bad man and his father get too much gunshot. Well, I'm gonna suck on the mother and I have to give me gunshot too. Pussy, if a badness not did, my father a criminal from him born. My father got thief from 2002 and he murder and dirty blood clot. I'm proud to know saying dead as a dog shit. I mean, so if me not busy about me stinking pussy mama, why me go busy about your bitch? You see me have little lenience by your bitch. You should appreciate the little lenience you me have by your dog shit. You make stinking pussy buck to them a boots you up. Batman buck to we all dirty scammer. They boots you up. All you feel if you know say you make buck to and dav them. You and dav them the pan phone. Hey girl, alright, show a video say me I suck your pussy. Show a video say me I play the body or something like that. Girl, you know none of that pan your girl. Me a video where me all piss in your mouth, dirty girl. I'm gonna show you people in the video. You're gonna suck your mother. And your mouth me piss junker. You're somebody dirty girl. And your mouth, yeah. So I don't know talk about say, oh, when me that girl they junker dog, I'm a bitch that dog. Me and me girl in my yard, me a fuck that dirty girl. That girl they give me gun here. All night mouth me piss. All night mouth me the piss. And that's why I gonna show them like I no want to show me. All night mouth me the piss. Nah, all night mouth me the piss. A dirty girl that dog. Cause suck your mother girl, you know me? Yes, I look at dirty girl, your pussy stink. Me live with me girl when me a fuck you, dirty girl. Look here. Look here. Where this here? This sign on me or me live with me girl. This sign on me or me live with me girl now. This sign on me or me live with that girl I know. In a me or me live with that girl. In a me or me live with that girl I know. In a me or me live with that girl. In a me or me a video they fuck you. Look here. Look for a girl a dirty girl. In a me, when me live with me girl, me have video they fuck you. Yeah, I have your man, you live with a man up a Paramount. It's a little dirty bitch. Because suck your mother dirty girl. Yeah, smarty man, me live with me girl in my house. I hear their sons with me. Dirty girl, you're a dirty whore. No man, you fuck out, you just have pretty face. You're a little dirty nasty girl. Go suck your mother. Me not need a dirty girl. You for sure say me never value. Me take that and gone. Me not no love for your dirty girl. Go suck your mother. You're not a body. You're not no morals. That make people boots up. You know me have too much proof by your dirty girl. And where the exalt yourself. The Bible say, he that exalt himself shall be put to shame. He that Bible verse go. He that exalt himself shall put to shame. Go suck your mother. The Bible verse said that. Let not them that are my enemies wrongfully rejoice over me. Neither let them wink with the eyes that hate me without a cause. You want fame? Me I give you the fame you want. Tell your whole family them. Right now, me not bring your auntie night, you know. Me not bring your grandmother night, you know. I just say your mama me a deal, you know. I say if you continue follow up my name, me go bring your mama night, and me go bring your auntie night, and me go bring every mama bumbuckler tonight. Me just bring your father, your mother, and you night. Me go bring your auntie, your bumbuckler, your auntie man, and your bumbuckler grandmother night next. So girl, go and follow me up, girl. Can you see it? TikTok, sister me have the leniency upon you. TikTok did I say it, you. You expose my name. You expose my picture, bitch. You expose my picture, you see, I'm a little platform where me have that, so. You did the sister there, so me come and make $1 little $1,000. You see, me come here, so I make $1 little $1,000. You sit down every day, you taunt me, bro. You taunt me, bro. You taunt me, bitch. You taunt me, bro. You taunt me. You taunt me, you push the gun, you taunt me. You keep on follow me up, dog. You exalt yourself, bro. You exalt yourself. All I'm saying, no. Say yourself fake, you man sell a fake cartier, now. What you tell me, no? I saw you obsessed with AJ. We are going blood clots in a silver prison for AJ. In gal. Eh? In dirty gal. Eh? You don't tell me say AJ. Gal, you don't tell me say AJ bumbo clot, they chat me. I mean, I go back to AJ. Me say AJ, I don't come and me heal him. You tell me say the man a chat me say, me ask him for ticket for going to Sands. I mean, on nobody. And Nicki Minaj mind me, and Nicki Minaj money me I spend on you. Nicki Minaj now mind me, bro. I didn't see that, bro. You see me? I tell me if you bumbo clock beg you man money for up my restaurant, and I tell you say me nah do it. Cause me nah beg nobody nothing. I when I look to see you man send me $5 grand for no reason. I get bad mind, girl. Cause I say me no rate you, cause me dey beg Nicki Minaj for do fuckery, but me nah beg Nicki Minaj to help you out. Cause suck your mother, your bad mind for the woman money. Cause suck your mother, girl, I say they call you man name. Stop call up a queen name and go suck your mother. And if you say I turn you man against and you man don't give a fuck about you know. Eh? Cause suck your mother. Me love Nicki Minaj more than me love your bitch. You just wanna make another bitch them. Me live with Snooki and me tell her straight say me love Snooki more than you. Can me buy Snooki Benz. A Benz me carry the girl go buy. And me never buy you nothing yet, bitch. All of me have money me say me broke. Dirty girl, you come and talk about me shoot up place in Miami Garden. Which part me shoot up place in Miami Garden? Dirty girl. Go and go to the police, go tell the police them say me do that. Go on, go to the police and tell them me shoot up place in Miami Garden. Go prove that. Go and go do that, bitch. Go on to the police them and tell them say me do it. Go on. Go and go tell the police them, bitch. And tell the police them say no do IRS fraud. And me go in the details with you, bro. Me go any level no go pan, me I go pan. Suck on the mother. Dog, me tear down now, bro. Me not talk, me tell the people and paper. Allow me I tell people. Me not tell them say me not answer girl. And that me tell you no. When me turn say people, comment and tell me people. When me look pan and tell me say people. Eh? Comment and tell me people. Me not turn say me love the girl and me not answer him. In paper, me not tell say me love the girl and me not answer. And that me tell you no. When me turn say people, me go give back the girl the money, bro. But them a thing when me can't give back it.
The people, let me know what you guys think. Me go watch some more as me say. Me not talk much in other one, so me know what I think.
Me money. Eh? A fraud money this, a scamming money this, bro. You rob me and me rob your back, bro. You rob me 80K, bad man. You rob me 80,000 US, bitch. 80,000 US, you rob me. My client say I want 80,000 check. I want 60,000 check. You thief them. I will turn back a 60,000 check. Cause we say you thief 80,000. I will turn back a 60,000 check. We make a client go dispute the check, bad man. In 2023, you rob me. And you come again, you rob me in 2025. And my mother look at me and tell me, say, Dams, don't this her. Friend her back and see if I can get back her about her. And that me do. And me get back her about her. And I say, yeah, I did me pan the media. You know, tell the people say rob me to bitch. Eh? Yeah, come make it like me I want a bad person. Eh? Bitch, I may be a bad person, show you. Where you think me they can shoot me don't come shoot up on the house? Me nah shoot up on the house, pussy. Me nah kill you no. You don't think me they can shoot up on the house? Bro, that for sure say a long time me girl rob me, bro. You say me palm me chain, bro, girl beg me 2,000, say she want money for pay her mortgage. And me give her 2,000 and no go back for me chain. I girl me lose me chain, bro. Me big diamond chain no me have. Me give girl 2,000 for pay her mortgage. I suck on me no get for bumbo clot where name there. You want look one room and him mother itch up in with the pink sheet where you see me there. Me pack up in the house with them and me I say dog, bro, you know say me live somewhere, bro. Stop telling people about me no live nowhere, bro. You know when me there now no house 6 months. Or me there now no house 6 months. Tell me when. Just say me there at your house for November. And in November, me have the high rise the same way you rent for me. And me pay me rent. Imagine me a pay me rent and you tell me say, bro, paper, me they have to move out of the apartment there. Me in the house, me can't get a girl in the apartment. Every time me can girl in the apartment, you girl text me. You having bitch in the apartment, you're obsessed with me bitch. October this time in the apartment. October me in the apartment. Send me and I go buy a Lamborghini. Me and the girl go buy a Lamborghini, no, bro. Send me and the girl go buy a Lamborghini. You see me with the said money, bitch. When thief from Delta them. See there? Look here, send me there in the high rise here. Suck your mother, girl, you can't style me. See it, October me there in the high rise. October me there in the high rise too. So me there back and forth from the high rise to Fair Yard. See there? Me there back and forth. October 19. Me there back and forth from the high rise to Fair Yard. Look how in that girl closet nasty. Look how girl nasty. Look there. Look how in that girl closet nasty. Look there. Nasty bumbuckler girl. Look how girl nasty. Them a girl don't say a good class girl. Look how in that closet nasty. Them a girl don't say high class. Look how in that closet nasty. Be a hollow man dress. Girl can't size up to me. You know somebody bring her down pussy. You know somebody did have them. Look how in that. Look here. Watch him a slap up in body. Bro, a girl want to use her, bro. A girl come. If any girl wire 50,000, a girl slung on me yard 3 days. Three want fake love with me. Forget the 50,000. So I said to her, I say, I watch you have the money, make it come on me yard every day. She know say you send the money to make it come on me yard. You get mad and left. Suck your mother, girl. Look, this a girl and say a good girl. Look in the closet, nasty and dirty. A girl this eh? A girl this eh? Look on this a girl a classic, it's dirty. Watch him, look how nasty. He pink, dirty, cheap sheet. Look here, this is me the yard in October, you know. Look here, you know. Me the yard in October. Look here, me back on me high rise again. Where she rent for me. Come in on top set. Look here again. See there? Me the yard again. Look here. November me the yard. November 5 me the yard. November the 5 again me the yard. November 5. Me the yard. November 5. Me back and forth. Look more show now. When me the high rise now. See there now. Look you now. See, November bumbuckler. It 10 me the yard. Me the yard November 10. See there? Look here now. Me back high rise now. See there? November 20 me back high rise. See there? See me have a Lamborghini. Me never post any video because I know a girl tan, bro. A girl tell me say ex-man named AJ. Say the man post up with the G-Wagon when buy. And the man a capper. And the man used to drive in S580. The top boy man a capper. And the man take his money buy monkey instead of paying rent. Me back on me high rise again. Oh, fuck, when me no live nowhere, bitch. When me no live nowhere, bitch. Eh? Bitch, when me no live nowhere. Me back on me yard again. So me back and forth. Me a fuck your bitch. Me no must the yard. See me and her the yard. Me and her me auntie. See me and her me auntie the high rise. Me and her me auntie the high rise. See there? Share with there. Me and her me auntie. The high rise. With the see Lamborghini key there. See there? Me and her me auntie the high rise. When me have the Blamdem table. See me table there. Me and her me auntie. See me auntie there. Share with down her high rise. See her foot there. See her foot there. Share with down there. That girl top tell life on people, bro. And me go deal that girl named Dav. We tell her say me no live nowhere. See there, me there me high rise. See there? November 27, me there me high rise. Me back our yard again. Me back and forth from our yard to the high rise, bro. So you girl a wicked, bro. See there, me never post the girl car. Look how me and the girl back and forth. And I live good. There yard. See there? Look how this a girl I want wicked. Somebody, yeah wicked to dog. You betray me to bitch. Me back and forth. Me and him take a walk in yard. See there? And yard me there again. Now December. When me homeless. December, this time me there in yard. Christmas, me buy Hermes. Me buy Hermes bag and something. Hermes me there, Christmas again. I look at now, we not November, we not so December, January, February, March. All fuck me there yard 6 months. I'm still there my yard. Go suck your mother girl. December that me there. Go suck your mother girl. You're a bitch pussy over 50,000. You value money over love. And money you value over everything, pussy. So me never come me high rise here. Me never come me high rise here. In a December. Go suck your mother girl. You can't style me. When me no live now. Tell me when me no live now. See me and in the road there. When me no live now, bitch. Tell the people when me no live now. Me back to them a people when name Dav. What on me I deal with today. Dav we tell people about oh he want to kill me. What on me I did one time. What on me I did one time. Me I get rid of what on one time. Me I clear up my name right now. Me I clear up my name with the girl Dav now. Me clear up my name with the girl Dav now. Cause I realize she follow me up. And me go clear up my name with Buck2. Bro, yeah, me have my friend, bro. Bro, look how much money me make in a life, bro. Me ever they make money bad, man. Me a money maker, bro. Me a real dragger, bro, in a real life. Me a real dragger in a real life. A whole heap of millions me make. That's why me they fuck them gyal. If me need money, that gyal, who the fuck me, bro? And money me use fuck that gyal. So everybody will wonder how me they fuck that. And money. So if you know, see me and my wife, yeah. Me and my wife and the gyal fuck me. Me and my wife and the gyal fuck me. A dirty word that dog. Money do that. It's big game. So youths, what can't believe, youth. What can't believe it. Everything is possible with the game. Chopping, dragger. The millions them boy are drag down. Make that girl have to skin out pussy and suck cock. And make your piss in her mouth. Because I game youth. Money. So youth, and money make girl behave so. Money make girl behave so by media. Money make girl crash out. Money make girl mouse. Money there. Them a girl ain't love for me. That girl ain't a loyalty name. That girl is a bitch. No loyalty no dead so. Cause suck your mother. Suck your mother, girl. You're not no loyalty, you're not no love and money. Me and this a batty boy named Wandan go buy a Range Rover. Me and batty boy, that a girl named Dav. Where they on the live with Buck2. Me and them go buy a Range Rover. Cash me go buy my Range Rover. Batty boy Wandan. See then I background. When me go buy my Range Rover. Boy bad mind. See then I background when me go buy my Range Rover. See batty boy then I background. Then the boy they know me a drug and me a money maker. Here batty boy in I background I watch me car.
Suck on the matter, man. I'm money still left, man.
Me go buy my Range Rover.
I'm buying a Range Rover, man, pussy.
Hear me in the background. You're buying a Range Rover. Hear me in the background.
I'm buying a Range Rover, man.
Then time.
My screen, man.
Yeah, when me buy my Range Rover, I run back and me and down on my yard every day, man. In big pussy bumbuckler. Man in big pussy girl, they come on my yard, come live. Through them want me broker. Me broker me have, then want me broker. I want me buy leads, give them a something. Then come on my yard, want me give them broker. Go suck on the mother, no dragger for me. Pussy, you don't know who grow me, you don't know who I'm a G. You don't know who bust me in a game. That, you don't know say a real me, she bust me in a game, pussy. That me I tell you now. When you come on my yard, I drive me car, batty boy. You come on my yard, I drive me car, me put you in a chronic law video, batty boy. You come on me, watch your batty boy on my yard, see me? The batty boy one down on my yard, watch him. Watch your batty boy on my yard, me ain't no saying he go betray me. Watch your batty boy on my yard, come on my yard, I look a bus. So this a girl when Dav Bianca no rent the apartment for me. Me a man, me no want nobody, me a be a girl in my apartment, be a girl, watch her. Be a girl in my house. So every time I post video on my Snapchat with girl in my house, the girl tell me say me go call police, me have to come out. And I'm here pay me rent, you know. Imagine you pay rent and somebody that tells you to come out of the apartment. All because they're jealous. Look much watch and chain me have. And them a run back, one of them a run back and me a mock them out. See girl a ugly bumbuckler monkey girl when named Dav. Look how ugly. Look on that ugly monkey girl. They bring me down for me. They look on him. What are we there on the ground, dog? Bro, you never have your friend, bro, and you don't have movie night out. Movie night. What are we there on the all are we there on the ground? How we are run joke and a video with one another. And they say we are bring down one another. We just a run joke with the on the ground. What are we there on the ground together, bro? Like we are family, bro. I'll blow up bed with the pan. Sit there. And we have a bed. We also have 4 bedroom. And the whole are we there on the ground and have movie and they fuck around and a run joke. Sit there. The whole are we have movie, bro. The whole are we watch movie together as a family, bro. Uno was my family, bro. See there? We are watch movie together and they enjoy with life. We have movie and they watch and they enjoy with life. And have movie night. I know I make like me sleep on the ground, bro. Now pussy dog. Watch her. Batty boy. Watch him man pan blow up bed. Watch him man pan. Batty boy. Tell the people say your man sleep on blow up bed on my yard. Uno take picture of me like me asleep on the ground. Pussy. Or me asleep on the ground and how much room there in the house. Ain't bitch. I know a bitch real dog. I know I call ice for me, bro. Watch her down. You know a pussy dog. That boy, dog, who never have no friend, I know they don't know. Me always got their house and then got my house. Look, pan batty boy, buck to will have it run out time house. Buck to a boy will have it run out time house. Buck to another body dog. Have it run him out time house if it come out. Bro, look what a girl do. Three girl know say, paper, three girl know say, you know want give me no money or time money. You got carry got bumbo clot. Carry got spa fit Valentine's Day. So she no want give me no all time money. The girl carry got spa for Valentine's Day. So she no want give me no all time money. See there? Carry got spa, so she no want give me no money all time money. Like she want friend me up. Like you think he can't like me a sweets man. Me still thief him money. I that bun him can sister me can't tame. Can carry got spa for Valentine's Day, things in that. Like me a fighting Friday like one than them. See there? Can me go spot thinking that me not got it. Pussy me can't tame me that back and belly rat. Suck your mother. Me cannot tame dirty girl. If when he say show my plan for wire the money to me dog account, he can me go spot they be nice to me thinking can friend me up, think me not got thief money. Me in my mind all of me there spark say me quiet like a lamb. Normally me chat like me name parrot batty. Me chat, you know me love chat already. If he pass couple months me later on her told me a plan for her, me not chat, me not make no noise, me not talk. Me quiet like a lamb, cause me a plan for Robbie pussy. Me win pussy, me glad on me win 50,000, me win, clap. Everybody clap. Me win. I'm yeah man. So remember you know. Remember me not do no illegal now. You are your vice step on the bumbo cloud finance company, you know. And me go call me say you continue follow me, girl. Me go call the finance company and all of the Airbnb them and the house them when you do with me. Me go call them, I'm up there, re-verify your voice, and I go send you a pretty little girl. Everybody put a clap emoji. Girl, get back pan you. Watch him dress up. Buy me a, can me go spot thinking can tame me. Pussy me rob you, same way bitch. You can't, bro. They say all me dog them, me tell me dog them, so me have to get back pan you, girl. Me plan for you for months, pussy. Your betrayal was nothing. Pussy, suck your mother, girl. Me have one video when the girl chat to Oberman on my phone. Actually, the girl delete out on my phone. The girl tell the Oberman say, like the girl call the Oberman and say to the Oberman say, it's a guy that always trouble me, that mash up my relationship. The guy my boyfriend that I used to talk to. So the guy say, which one of them? The one in Miami in the apartment that a TJ talk life, brother AJ. The Oberman said no. The empty Oberman, no, it's the one that mash up our relationship. So that means the girl been have me name with the Oberman dog. Look at the Oberman have to call on my phone and me not answer, bro. Me go show no. He tell me when the girl tell me if guy Oberman, me not go. The Oberman have call on my phone for guy the Oberman and me not go. Me screenshot the message. Oberman call me and me nah answer batty boy. Cause girl well got Oberman. See Oberman address say, hey, you can come now. What time? You gotta try send me got Oberman. From me got Oberman me can't make no money, bro. Give me a call. Me nah answer batty boy. Look ya. Me nah answer batty boy, Oberman. Me nah, no matter how you call me nah answer, bro. Call me when you have a chance. Okay, I'm getting ready for the ritual. Hey, my friend, give me a call. Me nah answer, cause me know say, bro, from me got the Oberman, me can't book no client, bro. God kill me from me guy Oberman, me can't, the girl hold me down. So you know me do? Me just go use mind game pan him and say, me want got the Oberman cause then Ober me. Hear him, no, you can't go there. Me say, yo, man, know yourself, me can't go there. Me can't go there pussy, but me can't got the Oberman. No, he give the man me name and turn the man against you. That's how I know, that's a trick me tricky pussy. Oh, I be Ober, that see that pretty face, that devil, that bumbo clot. That girl, that devil youth. Don't make him chicken with pretty face. A devil that bumbo clot. Me not show no mercy upon him. Bad man, just everybody with pretty face for chicken. Bro, for you see that the girl there suck that the dirty girl name call you pussy. You must know say a dirty girl that. Only fan girl pussy must suck. Only fan girl pussy that girl there suck. Be up behind work him and in family, man in grandmother, all of them. Be up behind work. Dirty people them dog, and nasty people them dog. Any man we appreciate them want fuck that the dirty girl. A dirty girl that, bro. That girl we all name all shit youth for money. Anything I tell that the girl if you do. Watch him a drunk up and ground. Watch one down and in dirty sucker woman. A ground then the panto. So all me no post with that. True no nobody. If it show me a celebrity, bro, and everybody want to know how me look and up to things about me, bro. Nobody now watch the people sleep on my ground too, you know. Then the people sleep on my ground too, you know. So all no run with that, so then the people sleep on my ground too. Then the people sleep on block bed on my yard. All no run with that too. One done, which is Levi and Marlon and Devin and McIntosh, which is Dav, but when Toryburg store from up here, sleep on my ground. I don't know, run with that. But because I'm the legend, because I'm the celebrity, because I'm the star, I don't talk about that.
Alright, no people, leave your comment. We'll watch some more and then we're going to end it.
Because I'm famous. A win is a win, bitch. Look pan buck to where we don't live now. At this one buck to
100 million for those papers. Come on, come show me. 100 million for those papers. Come on, come show me. At 25 million I done. Come on. Come on, 25 million I done, man. Me don't want to stress you out, man. But me tell you now, pussy. You can't stress you because you're living on my place. You're living on my place. Me don't want to stress you. When you wake up, you're living on me. Me don't want to stress you. You're living on me when you.
Bro, me don't take any bring down for 50,000. Me take you bring down for 50,000. You come here bring down, but you know I got prison. Cause no police can't catch me. So if never no put up, me go lock them. You know me go give them back the car. Me care back the car. Go give them or me find a way to get rid of it and buy a cheap car. Me go use 5 grand buy a cheap car and put in one of my friend them name and talk move like a wanted man do chan fix. Pussy you no can't win me bro. Hold on me killing her one night. You no can't win me bro. Pops, you a jiggle bro. You look a girl pussy fi suck. That the girl ain't no money bro. Me take your last money when you have. You loan them when take out pan the house. Your mother owe 300,000 pan her house. She want the money for up my restaurant. That money they go done where she scam. And me go call the loan company and fuck her up bro. Me go fuck you up, yeah. So you see, me say police call me name. Me go call the loan company and fuck you up. Yeah man, me go fuck you up bro. Remember you try get me to talk to the loan company people on the phone. So you want me voice tonight, you know. You want me voice tonight, so yeah, I'm tell you say me nah do it. Cause me know want me voice tonight. I every day you try convince me to get me voice tonight, cause you want proof. My feds can't lock me up. Suck your mother. Dirty nasty girl. Suck your mother girl. You're somebody dirty nasty girl. Lion by your head, dirty girl. Me win pussy. You can't do. Look at bugger enemy group up but them afraid. Bugger enemy a group up but them afraid. Bad man on our enemy dog. Bugger enemy a group up but them afraid. Lion talk on no matter. One savvy pan it up. Bugger enemy a group up but them afraid. Where can it land him? Suck on no matter. On a bugger enemy, on a one a dead boy and dead girl. Stinking baby in a bucket.